guys, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I've been waiting for today to come, y'all, and we are finally here. Spring starting today. I'm so freaking excited. I've been thinking about to create a glowy look for months, and I said to myself, you know what? Let's do it in springtime because it's not going to be too cold or too hot outside. The weather will be perfect. So yeah, I'm using the school glue so my brows hair can stay up. As you can see, I am going for a natural glowy look. Right now I'm into natural glowy look. I like any glowy makeup like foundation, concealer, of course, highlighters. If you need anything I'm using in this video, everything will be in my description box below. I want my makeup to come out as glowy and greasy as possible. I'm not doing a matte look. I'll be using liquid makeup only, so be ready, y'all. I bought this concealer by Beauty Bakerie a month ago with the aqua glass foundation just to create this look. I'll be using the foundation later in this video. I am obsessed, you guys. The concealer is in number 008 karak. I think that's how you said it. I don't know. So it's too bright to clean up my brows. I'm going in with another concealer by Case in Color Chestnuts and blend it in with my finger. I'll be using my finger a lot today. So since we are doing a glowy look, I want my face to look moisturized and fresh. I am using the Black Radiance Dry Oil and go in with the e.l.f. primer. I am using the Beauty Bakerie Aqua Glass Foundation in number 215. This is my second favorite foundation, you guys. It's amazing. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna tell y'all something I did, and don't say I am too extra, okay? So I booked with a photographer, right? I mean, my phone take nice pictures, but I wanted a professional, good quality thumbnail picture, and the picture didn't come out how I wanted. And thank God I took a few pictures on my phone in case if it didn't come out good, so I can use the ones on my phone. Right now, I am so freaking mad and disappointed. This is not how I planned this video. I wanted to show you guys the behind the scenes shoot, and I was expecting it to be in the studio. And the picture I took outside with a lot of trees and other things. Huh, never again, honey. My phone take better pictures anyway, so basically my whole plan got ruined. I planned it to do this look in the sun so you guys can actually see the glow, and the sun didn't come out today. And I didn't have enough time to glue down my wig. I just laid the edges and everything is all over the place. It has been a rough day, you guys. I should have stayed home. I regretted everything. I woke up mad early for this shit and planned to create this look for like a good 2 months or so, and this happened. I was so excited to create this look. As soon as I turned my camera on, the feeling gone. I was like, it's whatever. I'll just do a voiceover. Thank God I didn't say anything. I'll look so stupid talking about my shoot and everything. Like, that's crazy. So I forgot to get a cream blush. I am using this orange L'Oreal lipstick in number 970 for blush. Like I said, I'm not going to use powders. This is a glowy, dewy look. I am applying it with a concealer brush. For glow, I am using this liquid Black Radiance Gold highlighter. I love this so much, you guys. If you guys wondering how long my makeup lasts for the day, I wipe it out after a good 5-6 hours. I woke up too early. I had to take a nap. This red lip gloss, I think it's called Izme New York. I don't know. I didn't want it to look too red on my lips. I want a natural looking red. And the clear lip gloss is from Victoria's Secret. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. And now I'm gonna go in with my black radiance setting spray. Alright, that's it, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, click the subscribe button, comment, let me know you watch, and feel free to share this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.